Even in the Quran, beyond comprehension says that a human must die at a certain time and then their account will be taken and recorded. Similarly, the concept of every soul shall taste death has also been addressed.
So I wanted to ask that this is the fundamental issue of qaza. Today we find that science is researching this matter. There is a project named the Gilgamesh project,
in which they are trying to make humans immortal by implementing such biological changes that death does not come to them by biological means through natural ways. So sir, if this task is accomplished at this time, sir, we can proceed accordingly. Now let us imagine that if this project succeeds and becomes an integral part of our daily lives, then 100 or 200 years from now, should this concept become firmly established, that death is ultimately overcome within humans. Therefore, must our intellect and accumulated knowledge necessarily compel us to retract our fundamental principle of qaza and consequently embrace the reality? Humans have already confronted death and there is no plan for life after the hereafter. Please explain this a little in a school-like manner. If an individual's fundamental rights case is unlawfully suppressed through any possible means which has not yet occurred but is currently being enforced, it will ultimately make sense. I fully understand your instructions. Thank you very much.
The scientists who are sitting in their laboratories, Allah Almighty has completely distanced himself from them. Rest assured, they are also doing their work. Please make a sincere effort to inform the scientific community that the creator of our vast universe exists above all, and he has graciously revealed his sacred scriptures for all humanity. And he has unequivocally stated that one day, in the fullness of time, he will destroy this entire vast universe and create an entirely new one in its place. So the real thing is not death, rather the genuine essence lies in Allah's decree, and that important decree may come either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So continue your efforts, but Allah Almighty is also present in the heavens to do his work. He will come immediately, They are relentlessly attempting to conquer death, conveying to all of humanity that within a mere split second, I will utterly destroy each of you. So you see, one must have faith in the contradictions of scientists. Therefore, in this turmoil, I am perplexed. This is Allah's explanation.